want to recover deleted WhatsApp messages on your Android device, you can use the following procedure. First of all, you have to navigate to your WhatsApp. So WhatsApp typically backups your chat to Google Drive automatically if you have enabled this feature. So it detects messages are a part of backup and you can restore them by reinstalling the WhatsApp. First of all, you have to simply uninstall the WhatsApp from your device. Once you have installed your app, you have to tap on the Google Play Store. And after that, you have to install the WhatsApp again on your device. Once you have installed your WhatsApp again on your device, wait for the installation completed here. So once you have successfully installed your WhatsApp on your device, let's go for the open option and open up your WhatsApp. And here you have to select your language and go for the agree and continue and you have to provide your number. So here you can see that you can transfer chat history from the old phone. Just go for the continue option and tap on the continue option. So you can scan your QR code with the old phone. So if you don't want, just go for the yes, I am sure. And you can restore or backup. Just tap on the continue option, go for the allow option. So if there is any backup, then you can easily download it on your device. So here you can see that. So after that, you can see the restore option. You have to just tap on the restore option. And here you can see that the WhatsApp is restoring the chat. So this way you can easily recover your deleted messages on your WhatsApp. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.